you thinking, Kimmy?
The back shocks are all the way tight still. We took so much advantage away, and we need to loosen them up a little bit.
Okay. Oh, you just loosen them up?
Yeah, just loosen them up a little bit. Because right now, it's not going to have to do anything because we took all the advantage away. But now, we'll loosen them up. If we get them in the middle and it works good, then we'll have a tuning window for the track.
Okay,
That's what we need is a tuning window.
Yeah, right on. You think we'll get 3 qualifying or 4?
If the weather stays good, we should get 4. Did you see there's only 1 today?
Is there?
On the schedule, there's only 1 today.
That doesn't make sense. Is that the picture of the schedule?
Yep. Pro Mod, Q1, Factory Supercar, and then you come down to the Q2. We're not on there.
Yeah, you're on the next one.
Let me see.
Maybe we're on the
Yep,
next
we are.
one. Yeah, okay.
Yep, 5:30.
Okay.
Good.
We're at Rockingham Dragway. Here's a cool thing. I think there's 7 Dragpaks here. So this is the most Dragpaks that I've ever been out to an event before, period. More Dragpaks here than any other car. So, I mean, this is pretty cool. You know, Dodge put together that $10,000 contingency plan. I think that's bringing a lot more cars out. So I'm gonna go around and we're gonna count each one and see. I think there's 7, we're gonna figure it out though. So we got me, obviously, right? Number 3 Dragpak. We were the first ones to have our car out. First of the 7s for the 2021 model. And then over here, this is my good buddy Mark. Mark, what number is yours? 12, right? Yeah, so Mark's got the number 12 Dragpak, done a ton of work on it. So that's 2 Dragpaks. This is Lee's car. So, hey Lee, what Dragpak number are you? 10. So he's Dragpak number 10. So he's going to be running this car today, so we have to keep an eye out for him as well. So that's 3 Dragpaks. Let's go see the other ones. This is Jeff Turk. So Jeff's got the 2015 Dragpak. Obviously, he's upgraded to the new engine and everything else like that, but he's the first to the 7th, so he was the first one to make it into the 7th with a Dodge Dragpak. So that's 4 Dragpaks now, and he's very fast, so we got to keep an eye out for him. He's probably going to be one of the fastest ones here. And over here, we got the wheel locks. So this is Lindsay wheel lock, and this is Dustin. So this is Lindsay. What? You're number 49? What number are you? 49? So she's number 48 Dragpak.
You know, normal parents.
Yeah, so she's number 48. So what's that? We're keeping track. That's 5, right? Yeah, so we have 5 Dragpaks here. So the funny story about this one was these are the first people that I started talking to. I got the number 3 Dragpak, and originally they were supposed to get the number 3 Dragpak, but they had some issues. Somebody stole a bunch of money from them, the dealership, and they weren't able to get that car right away. So that's the reason why I got the number 3 car. And eventually they got things turned around, and they were fortunate enough to get number 48. So anyway, I've done a lot of talking with Dustin. He's real good friends, become real good buddies, and just really cool people. They got a Facebook, YouTube, everything. Make sure you go check them out as well. Wheel locks. So make sure you go check them out as well. They're super cool people. And, this is AJ Burge. He's racing with Bill Stein, and AJ is also the crew chief for DSR. So that's going to make 6 Dragpaks. We have 6 out here now.
What's up?
How you doing, man?
Doing well. How about yourself?
Hey, what number are you? You're
24.
So he's number 24 of 50. DSR just runs NHRA, so he's out here at NMCA. He's going to be running his car. So I got to keep an eye out for him too, because this car is fast as heck.
Nah, it's turd.
That's, I mean, it has nothing to do with the suspension though, right? So he's got so these are the Bills.
I don't know. Yours might be faster if you swap back.
We'll see how it goes. We're on the struggle bus right now with our suspension setup. We'll figure it out. But they got this car. These cars are dialed in. They're real pretty going down the track. So anyway, we got to keep an eye out for him.
And there's one more car. It's still in the trailer. It'll be out later this afternoon.
Wait, what is it? Is that Scruggs?
Yeah, it's Scruggs.
Oh, is he racing?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
They're just on their way down today.
Guys, that's gonna be like 8 Dragpaks. 8 Dragpaks here. So anyway, this is 6 for our count. Now we're gonna go find number 7. So this is Dragpak number 7. This is Catherine and Seba. That's her husband Brad. So is it Seba Racing or what is it?
Seba
Motorsports, and your Instagram and YouTube as well, right?
Seba Motorsports.
Yeah, Seba Motorsports. And what number Dragpak are you?
34.
So that's 34, number 34. So that's 7. So we got 7 Dragpaks, and we got 1 more on the way. So we're gonna have 8 Dragpaks. So Dodge better watch out, because there's a pretty good chance that one of these Dragpaks is gonna take home 10 grand.
Be a Ford and a Dodge. Here in the first pair, Dave Swanson. Swanson come to us out of Wisconsin. 2019 Cobra Jet Ford Mustang. And Randy Eakins out of Sykeston, Missouri. 2010 Dragpak. Dave Swanson looking for 970. Randy Eakins 1165 for the Dodge. All right, so the Ford Mustang is off and running. 970 is the class index, but he goes 788 with a 171 miles an hour. That'll put him in the number 1 spot by a bunch. Dave Swanson, John Estraub, your first pair. A factory stock double A car, the Cobra Jet Mustang, over on the left side. 789.6, 175 miles an hour. And will be your number 2 qualifier. Bill Skillman still at the top, 779.4. But if there's 2 that can knock him off, it's these 2. Dennis Chasen out of Irving, Texas, the 2021 Dragpak Dodge that I'm pretty sure has very, very close ties to Don Schumacher Racing and their factory stock showdown operation over on the NHRA side of things. So the factory supercar, a little bit different than the rules they run in NHRA. And Lindsay Wheelock. Oh, both of them striking the hides. But Lindsay gets back after it. She wants a little bit better than the last qualifying spot. She's going to get out of it early, 925 at 133.55 miles an hour. But we're still looking for more. AJ Burge, Bayshore, New York, the crew chief at Don Schumacher Racing, and now he is getting himself into a Holley EFI factory supercar. Oh, and both of them getting in trouble. AJ Burge being able to get it collected and make a better representative run. 832 with a 173 miles an hour, and he will go to the number 2 spot. Trip Carter, 2018 Cobra Jet in the right, 2019 Cobra Jet in the left. Trip Carter from Memphis, Tennessee. Oh, busting the tires loose for Jason. Oh, and smoke down there at the top end. 781 at 177 miles an hour, and Trip Carter goes to the number 2 spot. It is fast. And Jeff Turk, driving the Blackbird of Auburn, Kentucky, the 2015 Dragpak Dodge, over in the Hoosier Tire right-hand lane. Well, something happens to both sides of the racetrack. 948.9 at only 107 miles an hour for Chuck Watson. So we know that the track is very good and they can handle it right now. Bill Skillman showed that. Trip Carter went 781 at 177 miles an hour. So there have been good runs made. It's just, like I said earlier, it's just hard. A small tire and all that power. And both of them strike the hides again. They're going to get after it, though. Run it out the back. 888, 143 miles an hour for Lee Hartman. 1028 at 153. Catherine. into pre-stage, into stage. She's making it down this time. Let's look at the number 8:17.1 at 168 miles an hour, and that is a very, very good run. Next two up, Douglas Hamp out of York, Pennsylvania. 2020 COPO CAMARO. BP Racing Fuel, left-hand lane, AJ Burge out of Bayshore, New York. It's been proven that it can happen. And now striking the tire again for AJ. It looks like Douglas might be on a pretty decent lap. 9:56.6, nope, 106 miles an hour. He had to pedal it as well. AJ got it back after it, 8:94 at 175 miles an hour. AJ will stay number 4. Catherine Kosiba, Noblesville, Indiana, the 2021 Dragpak. BP Racing Fuel, left-hand lane. Glenn Peiske, Bellevue, Florida, the 18 COPO CAMARO. This is what we love about factory supercar. Presented by Holly EFI is the manufacturer award. We got Dodge in the left lane, Chevrolet in the right lane. And the Chevrolet strikes the tire. Catherine Kosiba making it down. Numbers look like 8:32.2, 171.38 for Catherine. Here we go, Q2. Tony Scott, Lee Hartman. Now Hartman strikes the tires on the right-hand side of the Dragpak and the COPO. Making his way down Broadway, 8:040, 169 miles an hour. Now something cool about Jeff Turk is all the new rage is everyone's talking about the experimental class that NHRA has come out with. Jeff Turk is one of those that is building one of those cars. So the Blackbird is still in supercar competition right now, but he will be soon enough going to factory experimental. And Terry Monroe is trekking toward the center line. Keep it off of it, 897 at 155 for Terry Monroe. Jeff Turk, 810, 179 miles an hour, and Jeff that did not make a run will go to number 4. 16 cars so far on the qualifying sheet. I believe that is the exact number of cars that we have on the property. Jeff Turk goes to number 4. Terry Monroe, number 11. A couple of Cobra Jet Mustangs now pulling up alongside each other. Jim BETZ, South Rockwood, Michigan, the 16 Cobra Jet, left-hand lane. And also out of the state of Michigan, Chuck Watson II, currently number 12 on the sheet. Only 9:48. Not a run qualified right now for Jim BETZ. Nice, picking the front wheels up, going toward the center line a little bit for Jim. He pulls it back in. But Chuck Watson's on a run, 7:78.3, 178 miles an hour, and there's nothing wrong with that right-hand lane, Chuck Watson says. Mark Heidings out of Marco Island, Florida. A couple of 2021 Dragpak Dodges. Oh, and Mark striking the tire again. Smoke coming out of the back for Alan Scruggs. But he still goes 8:18.9 at 171 miles an hour.
Head full of confidence and you feel good about it, but lately, because yesterday all our test and tune runs, we just spun, and so it kind of screws with your head a little bit mentally. You go up there and I want to say you're anticipating a spin because you're always focused on what you got to do, get down there, shift gears, and you're always gonna you know, in your head, you're gonna make a good clean pass. So you get up there, you get set, and you get ready, right? And then it's automatic. So you focus on the tree, you know, you focus on what you're supposed to do, right? You know, as soon as the light goes, you know, you get on it, and it feels good for like just a fraction of a second, and then you feel the rear end give way, and you feel the front end come down on you, and it's just utter deflation. You know, and it's like you just go down the track, and yeah, it's no consolation that everyone else spun, you know, because you want to get a good run, but you know, I'm going down the track and I'm just sitting there just frustrated. You know, I want to put the car in the trailer, you know, you want to go home. It's just, you know, so much time and effort and work, and you know, but then you kind of get back and you give your head a shake a little bit and realize it's just part of the game. You know, a lot of these teams have been at it for years and years and years and years, you know, and this is a brand new car, brand new setup, and you know, it's every single time we've been out, we've been working on it, changing things, and you know, it's a lot of people say it's, you know, it's going to get a little bit worse before it gets better again, but that's part of the learning cycle. So, but you know, we keep our spirits up, and you know, just stay confident, trust the process, trust the team. Watson's doing a great job. They're working real hard right now. You know, they got some things to work on for this next run, and you know, let's go out there. So we're going to try to get a nice, solid, soft, you know, Q2, get a run in, you know, place ourselves, try to get in the middle of the pack, put ourselves in a position where we can dial in some more power and try to get in the upper half of the qualifying ladder before the elimination start. That's really the strategy and the goal. So it's just all racing. The Q1's in the books. Unfortunately, we spun, but hoping for the best case scenario. And just playing through it all in my head. You know, what if it's not? Hey guys, this is Dragpak Dennis. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment on the video. That'll let me know if you like what you're seeing. Take care all, we'll see you next time.